Happy birthday to Aaron Misilele. We used to see him, boys perform at my mum and dad's celebrations for their big birthdays. So he's finally turned 21. We used to sort of feel him because Maria used to like make him dance, but he was a really good dancer. He was amazing. And now he's turned 21. Yeah. Aaron, hello boys. Isn't that beautiful? The cake. Look at the cake. So they're actually celebrating also the dad's birthday as well. And here is our front table guests. Beautiful, lovely. Here's the IMC for the day, for the evening. Beautiful. So many people here tonight and so much food. Not running out of food. But Aaron, you're a special boy and I hope that you're going to really enjoy life from here on. And my dad's saying is, make every day productive. Make every day productive. Here's Maria. There's Maria going around with plates. Oh, look at all that. People just, my sister made this. Oh, my sister made this delicious pineapple pie. Arana, did you have some of my sister's pineapple pie she made? Pineapple pie. My sister made them all.
Because we are
Delicious.
so far.
Yeah, it's delicious, eh? The catering. The catering has been lovely.
That was fun.
Tui. Tui, thank you for the catering. It's so really, was really lovely, honestly. Beautiful catering. So much food. Hey, there we go. Here are some of our guests. So if you want a catering, this is Tui's catering. Beautiful catering, recommend it. Yep, catering. Oh, I want to take some chop suey. Oh, I'm going to grab some chop suey. Chop suey. Go back over there. Thank you. I don't want too much.
Okay, greetings again, everyone. Hope everyone has enough to eat. We are going to carry on with our program. Time now is 6:45.
Yeah.
I want you to be out of here by 8:30.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough for me. Yeah.
So,
Thank
we have
you.
speeches.
There's two there. There's two.
Can I call up Aaron and your dad to the
Oh,
front,
hey.
please? Take your seats here in the front.
Sorry, love. Yeah.
Those who are still eating, carry on eating.
Thank you very much. That was delicious. Who made it? You are the bomb. The chop suey was delicious.
So our first speech.
Hey,
will be
is it there?
from the
Is it
Halamoa
there?
family.
Here they
If I
are.
can ask the
To the
rep from the
desserts.
Halamoa family to come up.
I'm going to go now. But at least I captured a lot of the beautiful people here tonight. There's Ansley. And here's the rest of the family down here. All the siblings for Aaron. Aaron's dad turned 70 and Aaron I'm not finished. And there is the birthday boy and his dad. That's lovely. Ooh, there's Betty, Sifa, Fale. That's a beautiful wife. Lovely. Now. What's wrong? Oh, they're going to have a floor show. Oh, and that is the birthday for today, the 21st. A beautiful birthday. Aaron's beautiful birthday. Oh, there's Maria, Huli, Maria.
Daughter, and just raise your hands, girls. And Nina is from the Pepper side. Hi everyone.
Hi. Hi, Nina.